Blender 5 was just released. Let me show you how you can download and install Blender 5 on your Mac for free. It's a free software, so just head to the website blender.org. That's the website. Then you will be welcome with the download button. If you cannot see it, you can manually go to the download section at the top. From here, the website will try the best to detect your system. For me, it's already set up as macOS, Apple Silicon. Apple Silicon are those processors M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. If you're on different system, you can open this menu here and select the right system. So there's a Windows version, macOS version, there is a Linux, a native Steam app. You can even get the source code itself. It's an open source app. All right, I'm going to download this macOS version. I click download button. This is open source program, as I mentioned, so they will also ask you to want to donate. And as you can see, it's downloading. The install file for Mac is around 300 megabytes. Now I can open up the download file and simply drag in the Blender to my system. It may take a moment to copy the Blender to your applications, and it's ready to roll. Now just turn it on. This is the app we download from the internet. So for the first opening of the app, we need to confirm that we trust the app. And here it is, we are in Blender. When you open the app for the first time, you can very quickly set up the language, the theme, the key mapping, the mouse select, and then simply click continue. Let's create a brand new general file, and here we are. We are in Blender 5. There's nothing else we need to do. You don't need to log in or create any account. It's a free software with optional donations. So if you got something else, you got the wrong program. All right, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.